In reading your post the other day, I decided to try to build a form elimination tool myself using AppScript. So basically, here's my data tab of my sheet. Here's my form, and um, I have set up the setup sheet using the same logic as you. These are the choices for Monday, the limit, how many chosen, how many remaining, and then this same thing. If that's less than zero, you put that there, else you leave it blank. So let's see what happens when we fill one out. And then, oh, and by the way, so this is set up with an app script that I had written to do the work, and then it has a timer that does on form submit. So we can see right now my form is set up. I have period 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth available. If I choose a response here and I decide to do period 1 from each of Wednesday, person comes in and selects those, and we submit. Then if we come back and look at our form, we'll watch period 1 disappear from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and so forth. If we submit another response, this time we're going to remove period 3 every day, and you can see that there's a little bit of a lag. So as your other person responded, they go away pretty quick. But if somebody were to in that exact moment click the form, if you're in a school, they might be able to get in there before the form automatically updates. And all of this is done with an app script. It's a little bit tedious, perhaps. You have to grab your form ID, which is this right here. We grab the form ID, and then we run this first script, find form IDs. These are the IDs of your items, and we need to grab these because they have to be replaced down here when we are having it update the form. So it does work, and it follows the same logic as you do, so it maybe would run into the same updating problems, but in my testing this does work pretty well. So you can, if you don't want to use Form Ranger and some of these others, you can build these yourself. Again, I just use some conditional formatting here, so now I can see, it lets me track which ones are, let's give me a visual of how that looks a little better. So I don't know if that's worth your time to try to build something like this. If so, you could let me know.